Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Linux Pro and this is lab 9.2.5 and we are going to remove a module from the kernel. So your manager has asked you to remove the game port module from the Linux print server. Complete this lab from the terminal. In this lab, your task is to verify that the game port module has been inserted into the kernel. Remove the game port driver module from the kernel. So in the absence of any other thing, we'll go ahead and start our lab. So we'll go ahead and wait for the lab to load. So in the meantime, if by the end of this video you find this tutorial to be helpful to you, you might also want to consider joining my professional membership, where you have detailed video one-on-one guide on how to solve any of the TestOut lab. Also consider liking and subscribing to the channel, where you have access to our wide array of video resource materials to help you with your educational needs. The lab has loaded and we go ahead and open terminal, and from the first task we type in ls mode and we press enter, and that is going to give us a list, and you type in arrow mode space game port, you press enter, and then you type in ls mode and you press enter again, and we'll go ahead and score lab. Alright, so if this video was helpful to you, also consider sharing this video on other educational platforms so that other students can benefit. Also like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.